Welcome to break 1948 for the 2019 Gold Rush Hockey Value Pack. We want to thank everyone for getting in the break and all of you watching. We do appreciate it. Let's go ahead and check out the current dates and times according to eBay. It's Saturday, May 2nd, 2020. It's 12:37 a.m. Eastern Time. It's Friday, May 1st, 2020. It's 11:37 p.m. Central Time and 9:37 p.m. Pacific Time. In the break, we have Trey with 5 spots, MF with 3 spots, Fressa 2, Stuff 1, Business 1, JoJo 3, DG 4, and Mike with 12 spots that we are going to randomize 7 times. And after the 7th time, spot number 1, you're getting a spot in the bonus break. Trey, you're on top. Mike, bottom once, twice, 3 times, 4, 5, 6, and lucky number 7 has Mike on top, Fressa on the bottom. Mike, you have the Ducks, Coyotes, Bruins, JoJo Sabres, Halls of Stuff Flames, Mike with the Hurricanes, MF with the Blackhawks, Mike Avalanche, JoJo Blue Jackets, Trey with the Stars, Mike Red Wings, JoJo Oilers, DG Panthers, MF Kings, Mike Wild Canadians, Trey Predators, Trey with the, Mike with the Devils, Trey Islanders, Business Rangers, DG Senators, Mike Flyers, Trey Penguins, Knowles Blues, DG with the Sharks, Fressa Lightning, Mike with the Maple Leafs, MF Canucks, Trey Vegas Golden Knights, DG Capitals, and Fressa with the Winnipeg Jets. All right, all sealed up. Let's see what we have here. We're going to start with Heroes and Prospects patch Ryan Hartman. Game used, and that's for the Plymouth Whalers, so we'll confirm his NHL team there. We have Daryl Sittler, game used jersey for Team Canada. So this will be who Daryl played for the longest in the NHL. So we have Hartman will look up, Sittler will look up, and last but not least, we have a Jaden Lindo prospect game used jersey printing plate 1 of 1, black plate. Okay, sweet. We need to look up all 3 of these. We'll start with the Ryan Hartman. Maybe. Uh-oh. Did the internet go down? Well then. Not sure. Hang on. Shall we try a different browser? Let's try. That's a first. Why has the browser not worked? Okay. Not sure why the browser is having a moment, but here we go. In 1920, Minnesota Wild. Minnesota Wild's going to Mike. Congrats, Mike. And then we want to look up Jaden Lindo. 1/1 printing plate. Going to the Pittsburgh Penguins. Pittsburgh Penguins is going to Trey. Congrats, Trey. And then the Daryl Sittler. Team Canada. He's 69 years old, so whoever he played for the longest. And that's going to be Toronto in 12 years. 3 with Philly, 1 with Detroit. Let's, where's our spreadsheet here? Toronto going to Mike. And that wraps up break 1948 for the 2019 Gold Rush Hockey Value Pack. Want to thank each and every one of you for getting in the break. We do appreciate it. Don't forget to hit that red subscribe button. We're almost to 1,000, giving away an autograph helmet coming soon. And stick around for the bonus break spot. Thanks!